Hi Dr. Phone fans! Today we shall learn how to back up and restore iPhone data with iTunes. It is also not a bad way to transfer data from one iPhone to another. Open iTunes on your computer if you haven't. Mine is already opened. Here is the iTunes screen. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Now the iPhone screen lights up. Press the home button and enter your passcode. Here appears a tiny phone icon. That means your iPhone is detected by iTunes. Click it to continue. Find the Summary tab. Click this computer in the Backups area. And click Backup Now. Right there. Now look at the top of the screen. iTunes says it is backing up your iPhone. This may take a while. And now the blue bar on the top progresses so fast. Not bad. This is the real backup progress. Okay, the progress bar disappears, and the Backup Now button turns black again. The new backup time is displayed just below after a successful backup. Ensure that iTunes is already opened on your computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer using its original Lightning cable. Then, put the iPhone aside and focus on the computer screen. After your iPhone is recognized, a small phone icon appears here. Click on it. In the new window, go to the Summary tab. Then, in the Backups area, select the This Computer option. Move your cursor to the right and click the Restore Backup. You can see a dialog box displayed here. Click here to view which backup you want to restore. Select the latest one I suggest. Here is its last backup time. Click Restore. Now iTunes starts the restore process, which may require a couple minutes. After a while, you can see Restore in progress on your iPhone. iTunes also enters the last stage of restore, so let's just sit back and wait. A new dialog pops up. This means the restore is successful now. Click OK to close it. Let's take the iPhone back and see what happens on it. Oh, the white Apple logo. Now we can just ignore the iTunes. Just unplug your iPhone from the computer. iPhone finally turns on. Press the home button and enter your passcode to activate it. Here now is a bar that shows the iPhone activation progress. Now the activation completes, enter the passcode, and you now have an iPhone on which the iTunes backup is restored. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any other questions, leave them below in the comments section. Thumbs up this video if it helped you out.